Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this portable electric tire inflator for ribbon purposes. Let's open it up, okay? This is what we find when we first open the box, and this is a proper main unit, okay? It's like this. You can set it up on the floor or with this stance or vertically, however you like it. We have a sticker upon the screen with all the indications on how to use it, all the modes, how to turn it on. As you can see, we have the units, the torch, so we can turn on the light. And I think it's gonna be nice. We have a pressure bulb to, well, so we can see how much pressure our proper starts has, okay? Which I think it's really, really nice. And as you can see, it goes onto your cigarette lighter port, and you connect it right here, okay? So that way we can charge it, which I think it's really, really nice. We also get the user manual with all the steps on how to use it, all the things that it's provided, all the instructions, how to turn it on, off, all the different modes, which I think it's really, really nice, all the information that you need to use it. And I think it's really, really nice, really complete. We get different, well, bulbs to use, which I think it's nice. The tube where the air goes, okay, you place it right here like this and twist it on. That way you can use it. We get a carry bag and a USB Type-C cable, okay, if we want to, well, charge it with a Type-C or a USB, which I think it's really, really nice. So let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna test it out with my car right here, so come on. As you can see, the main unit doesn't have a regular LCD screen, but once that we turn it on, we can see that the light shines through it, and we have different modes. We have the car mode that sets the units on bars, and we can see on the top left corner the battery level, which I think it's really, really nice. We also have a motorcycle tire mode that it's also on bar with a 2.70 bars. Then we have the bicycle. This time we changed to PSI the units. The balls mode, you can use it on any kind of ball that it pumps up, and we can adjust to any PSI level that we want, which I think it's really, really nice and really useful, okay? We can see that we have the flashlight on top of the main unit with a strobe mode, so we can use it on emergencies or at night, which I think it's a really useful function, okay? It also has a effective cooling system with some dense cooling holes and a high energy conversion motor so it doesn't overheat. Another function that I think it's really, really nice is that you can use it as a power bank, so you can charge your device anywhere, which I think it's really, really useful. You can take it camping, wherever you need it. I think it's gonna do an amazing job, also working as the LED flashlight, which I think it's really great. So as you can see, you just plug it in, turn the main unit on, and we'll see this icon, meaning that it's charging. Okay, now we're gonna just place it in like this, and we can see the tire pressure. It's on 1.5, so we're gonna turn it on. As you can see, it's right now it's working. The tire pressure is going up. As I said, you can leave it on the ground or like this, stand up. I think that it's great that we can see on real time the pressure of our tires, which I think it's nice. It has a auto shut when the preset pressure is reached, which I think it's a useful function, and it's really, really fast. You can inflate a tire in about a minute and a half, which I think is useful. As you can see, it stops and it starts beeping, which I think it's nice. That way you can easily know that it's already finished up. And we just unscrew it like this, take it off. We have our tire ready, and I think it's great. Okay guys, as you can see, it's really nice, really simple to use, quick, easy. So overall I like it a lot and I will really recommend it. See you guys.